Hey everyone! Check out the ARSTPOE 2-pack L-shaped under-sink organizer designed to maximize your cabinet space. Its unique L-shaped design fits around plumbing and garbage disposal, making full use of vertical space. Both the upper and lower baskets slide out smoothly for easy access to your items. The height is adjustable with 3 levels, fitting different cabinet sizes perfectly. Made from durable metal, it can hold up to 50 pounds securely. This double-layer organizer helps keep your kitchen and bathroom clutter-free and tidy. Say goodbye to messy countertops with this smart storage solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.